on? It's on.
Hey!
How's it going?
Ace to the world!
So, we're calling her talkers and we're having a conversation. Take my arm. Sexy. Nasty. Yeah. Is he not going to answer? Because he just...
Hello?
Magic! I called it.
We're making an early video. We are making a video right now because we are bored out of our minds. Okay. Yeah, you told us to call you.
Hey!
You told us to call you
When we're making a video. Explain that to me because we're doing one later too, God, but you know what? We're bored. Dang. I swear. Where's my kitty?
You won't tell him, will you? Swear over your heart.
Won't tell him what? Let's tell you two.
Shut up, Brianna! That was supposed to hurt.
Well, maybe it didn't. Ow, can you please stop? We're on YouTube. I told you, no hitting.
We're acting like retards. Who do you think it is?
No, it's Monica.
Who's the owner of this phone? Yeah, good idea. Dude, you sound like Danny on the phone. That's not even funny.
It hurts my arm.
You sound like Danny on the phone. Yes.
Oh my God, he does.
He does. I told you he does.
Okay, you can't put the camera out. We need to get close.
Hey, Cat.
Does that get us?
Bye.
It gets us, but we're far away, so we have to come right here.
Listen to the video.
Monica, we're not done yet.
He hung up.
It doesn't matter.
Wait, let me see.
Stop! Can't see! That's nice.
Back up! Back up! Back up a little more. Now you can see those short shorts. Yes!
Come on, Monica, we're dancing. So can I have this now?
Oh!
Baby, come back!
No, it's really not that big.
Ready? And he asked me out. Ready? Ask me out.
Hey, you want me to go out? Baby, come back!
I can't see us.
Oh, you couldn't even see me. Dude, that's Jake.
Dance with me.
So, want to go out? Baby, come back! Where you going?
Dance with me. For the third time. Get up and dance with me, baby.
This is awkward. Aren't I supposed to hold your waist?
Ew, you might not touch me like
I
that.
wanted to try to skateboard so I can hold your waist.
You know what? We're not using pickup lines right now. So we're reenacting some shenanigans that went down. Where's that cat? Cheetah! No. You stay and talk to you two. Oh my
Hey,
God.
y'all!
Make sure it doesn't go over 10 minutes.
We don't know. Oh, it's Ryan Crawford.
Ew. No.
Yo!
Oh, it's only been 4 minutes.
Yo! Can you hear me?
Stop yelling. Can you hear me? I don't know where my cat is. I
Oh,
lost
you're
my cat.
flashing, you're flashing.
Oh, I'm so flashing them. Yes.
We're still on YouTube, by the way. We're making YouTube videos. hi to the world.
Hi, YouTube world.
This is Ryan Crawford. Yes, it is. And you sound like Danny on the phone. Change your voice. That's good. That's better.
He sounds like I'm not saying anything.
I'm walking in circles in my living room again.
Dance with me.
No problem, baby.
What?
We're reenacting moments. Would you have me?
We did this one like 5 times already.
I
Can
know,
we?
but it's hilarious.
Baby, come back! I'll tell him everything.
We were reenacting David asking out Brianna.
Can we? Really? Is
Never
there-
mind, never
We
mind,
just
never
told
mind.
YouTube that. We were keeping it confidential. Oh my god, my kitty! No one! I got asked out 3 times this summer. Drew, Blake, and Ben.
Hey, you weren't supposed to say anything about my brother.
Sucks. Come here, kitty. Say hi to YouTube. Ow, clawed me.
Brianna Scout wants to say hi to YouTube. Say hi to Brianna Skinny. Say hi to Cheeto. I mean Cheetah. Say hi to
Move.
Cheetah.
And this is my little kitty cheetah. I love it.
Say hi to Cheetah.
Girl, it's gonna eat you. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Bite, bite.
Say hi to Cheetah.
Okay, baby, you can go play now.
Can you hear me?
We only have a couple minutes left.
Brian,
Maybe
say hi to Cheetah.
It doesn't matter anymore. Cheetah's down.
Never mind.
And you should probably.
Who's your naturalist at outdoor school? Who was your naturalist at
No, my chair.
outdoor school?
Wildcat.
Hold on. Who was
I had an earring in my back pocket.
your naturalist at outdoor school? Oh, okay. I'm bored.
Ice cream and cakey cake. Ice cream and cakey cake. Ice cream and cakey cake. Ice cream and cakey. You messed it
You
up.
messed it up. There's one more chorus.
Ready? Ready? Ice cream and cakey cake. Ice cream and cakey cake. Ice cream and cakey cake. Ice cream and cakey cake.
Ice cream cake to the ice cream cake. Dude, we're
I
going
want-
dumb.
I'll play the loops, the loop. Me, I want a hula hoop. Walking down the street. Remember Carson? Yeah, I'm not boy.
Flashing. Brianna, can you flash the camera?
Flash.
Get it! Yo! You aren't gonna believe? You aren't gonna believe you're on YouTube. On the phone. When we upload this video.
I don't know, please don't say
Okay.
Let me tell you something. Hey.
Let's go. Slap, 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 slap! Brianna just beat the crap out of me. She knocked me out.
Well, YouTube, those are really.
Brianna!
Look at my kitty going dumb. Come on, cheetah.
What are you doing?
Say bye-bye. That's for Mexico.
That sounds candy.
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, YouTube. Brian, say bye.
Hi.
No, say it again. Say it again.
Wait, what?
Oh my.
Say goodbye!
Hi.
Oh my God.
Okay. You got the opposite, but okay.
It doesn't even matter. Bye-bye, YouTube.